Welcome back to Bucks Wizard, where we unravel the secrets to financial independence. If you're looking to turn the dream of making money while you sleep into a reality, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving into some incredible passive income ideas that will have your bank account thanking you. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and visit our website at www.buckswizard.com for even more money-making magic. Let's get started. Dividend investing. Our first strategy is all about playing the stock market smartly. Dividend investing is like having a money tree that keeps on giving. Imagine receiving a portion of a company's profits just for being a shareholder. It's like getting paid while sipping your morning coffee. Remember, though, always do thorough research before investing. More tips like this can be found on our website. Rental income. Next up, we have the real estate gem, rental income. Owning property and renting it out can be a substantial source of passive cash flow. Whether it's a residential space or a vacation rental, the right property can become a money-making machine. Don't forget to check out our website for a detailed guide on how to start your real estate journey. Create an online course. If you're a pro in a certain skill or have extensive knowledge about a topic, creating an online course can be a game changer. Once you've put in the initial effort, your course can be accessed by eager learners 24/7. It's like being a teacher without needing to be in the classroom. Ready to become an online educator? Our website has you covered. Affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission on each sale generated through your link. It's a fantastic way to monetize your blog, website, or even your social media following. Remember, authenticity is key in affiliate marketing. Learn more about this strategy on our website. Automated online business. The digital age has brought us so many opportunities. Starting an automated online business, such as dropshipping or print on demand, lets you set up shop once and continue earning as orders roll in. The internet never sleeps, and neither does your potential for profit. And there you have it, your path to making money while you sleep is now clearer than ever. These passive income ideas are just the beginning, and the journey towards financial freedom is within your reach. If you want more in-depth insights, tips, and tricks, don't forget to explore our website at www.buckswizard.com. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the latest wizardry from Bucks Wizard. Thanks for watching, and remember, your dreams of financial independence are closer than you think. Stay savvy, and I'll catch you in the next video.